Right, first of a few packages coming from eBay this week. One's 20 quid. But there's a reason why it's 20 quid. You'll see when I unpack it. This one wasn't 25 quid, 20 quid. Annihilation 2099, 5. I'm waiting for 4 because travelling man, yeah, didn't get the ones in for me, even though on my list. Yeah, I think number 5 is the last one. And the story continues in October. Conquest 2099. Annihilation 2099 issue 5 featuring Dracula 2099, Lord of the Vampires. Steve Orlando, Daily Gusum, Raul Angulo, Corey Petit, Nick Branshaw. Yep. So just waiting for the rest. There's Annihilation 2099 4 coming, and Avengers 14, and Dracula Blood Hunt 1, 2 and 3. But issues 1 is Virgin Variant red cover. So it's a special one. That's why it costs that, and the Dracula Blood Hunt 2 and 3 cost 20 quid. But it's coming. That's good here now. So I'm going to wait for Annihilation 4 and Avengers 14 Blood Hunt. Subscribe.